buttons and stuff that like show. So cute. iPhone X. Make it smoky. Hey you guys, it's Emma and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I'm so excited for because I'm finally doing my room tour. I've been working so hard on my room with a lot of new things that I've done, and even yesterday I was out buying stuff for this video just because I'm so into like room decor and all that sorts of things. So I'm so excited for you guys to finally see my room. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer and we should just get right into this video. So this is my room, and it just starts out with a little hallway, and then it goes right towards my closet, and this is my closet. So I just keep some of my clothes in here, and then I keep my shoes, and then up here I have my onesie, keep my big baggy t-shirts in here as well in a little container, just so I have them all in one place. Then next is a tall dresser, and I just have my Nikon camera things like lenses and chargers, and then I have my microphone to do voiceovers with it. And in this drawer I just keep my Juicy Couture jackets, and then I have my sports bras and bralettes. I have my socks that are normal. I have my high knee socks. I have my underwear, and then I have my tank tops. And then over here, it's a surprise. Subscribe because I'm going to be doing a bathroom tour soon. So if you do want to see what's in there, I'll be posting a video later. And then also now next I just have a crappy mirror, and I do kind of want to get a big tall one where it's actually cute, but for right now we just have a little dome chair with a Lululemon box right here just to cover up the tear right there. And then over here I have just another dresser, and it matches with that dresser right there. And I just have a little jewelry stand, and it's teal blue with a little crystal on the top. I just keep my chokers, my necklaces, my Alex and Ani bracelets, and my Fitbit. And then I just have a book right here, and I have a Juicy Couture jewelry holder as well as over here. And then I just have another jewelry box where I keep a bunch of my jewelry again. I need to go through and organize that better. But next I just have also on this dresser a TV, and it's just a smart TV I got for Christmas a couple years ago. And then I have an alarm clock which I turned off because for some reason last night it went off and it was really bad, so I unplugged it. And then I have a trophy right here. And then moving on to this little section of my room, I have just a futon, I guess that's what you can call it, a little couch thingy, and I always film my videos on here. And have a teddy bear, and this was supposed to be used for a high school pep rally, but it was never used, and I just keep it in my room. And then I have a fluffy little comforter, and it's furry, and then I just have a little Emma display, and I have pictures, I have a plaque for my dance, and then I just have a quote, "A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous." And then of course I have my fan right here. I have my fan and I always have to sleep with that, so I just keep it right there. And then I'm just gonna move on to my bed. And I love it so much. Right now I have my homework here because I've been having a lot of homework and college recently. So I have a little desk thingy to do it on my bed. And then I have my laptop, and I love the stickers that are on it. And then I have my Vera Bradley backpack. I can also do a what's in my backpack, so just comment down below, or a what's in my purse, so this is my school purse too. So I can do those if you guys want to leave that in the comments down below. And also I have this rug that I got at Marshall's, and if you look at my first video I've ever done on YouTube, it was a collective haul, and I did talk about this rug in my video, so go check that out. And then I have a bunch of pillows that I bought, and a lot of these I got at either Bed Bath & Beyond, Marshall's, TJ Maxx, whatever. And then I just have my pink comforter, and it's like quilted. And then moving on to the next part of my room, I have another little display, and this is just a cute mirror desk, I guess you could say. How would you say? I don't know. But I just keep it here, miscellaneous stuff. I just bought this, and it turns on and off, and I made it say Emma Vega, subscribe. And then I just have a dance trophy right here, and I have in here just a plaque. At my high school, I won Most Sassy, so I keep that right by my bedside. There's that, just the crystals on it, so cute. And then I keep my Sephora caboodle, which I use for my game days. And just in here is just a bunch of makeup. And I keep that there. It's a lifesaver. And then moving on, I have just in this drawer school things like binders and books and that sort of thing. And then in this one, I just have more arts and craft things and like an iHome and a piggy bank, random stuff. And then I have pillows and blankets. And then I just have my trophies up here, and I have more displays if you want to come closer to it. I got this at TJ Maxx, those two things. It says do more of what makes you happy, and a little flower set, and just a Hello Kitty. I keep my pictures in here. It's just a little box, and then a picture frame. And then moving on to this section, lights, and I bought little paper clip thingies, clothespins, and I just put it up with my lights, and it's just super cute at night. I also keep in here just pajamas, and I just put it right here. My guitar, and I just have a little stand so it sets up with it. And then over here, more trophies and more setups and displays. I have a crown, more dance things, candle, picture frame, and all that. And here I keep sweatpants and random clothes. And then I keep in here boxes and swimsuits. And this is Chumani. I have been working on this for a while, and I am so excited because it's my favorite thing ever. And I just have my little closet rack. So I just have all my cutesy clothes that I love the most here, with just little bags on the side. And I just got this at TJ Maxx, a little fur rug, just to display over my favorite shoes. So I just have my booties here, and I have more booties down here. I have my like other Converse and stuff. So I have that. And then I have my favorite part ever, and it's his favorite too. It's my light up vanity mirror, and I just keep all my makeup right here. And then I just have all my makeup in here, and I have just lippies, technology things, more makeup in here, and more like bobby pins and hair things. And then I have more nail polish in this little bin. And yeah, so that's basically it for my room tour. But now we're gonna take you outside just for what else I have coming into my room. I have a laundry room, and I do keep more of my clothes in here. But I just have this laundry, then I have more clothes like hoodies, and then I have my tank tops here. Then I just have my dance bras here, and then my dirty clothes. Oh yeah, sorry. And then this up here, I just keep more of my like baggy, like. Alright. Well, that broke, and I have to fix that. And then I have another little section. Turn that light on. And I have more of my clothes in here. And I just have a suitcase for dance. And then I just have my dress, my summery dresses in here. And I keep all my Lululemons, my jeans, more leggings in here. I keep more jackets all up in here. I have a lot. Then I keep my bags. And in this Lululemon bag, I just keep all the hangers. I have my bras here. And I have more random stuff like Victoria's Secret pink dogs, more bags. And this is all my, in this bag, I keep all my dance costumes. And this, blah, blah, blah. Just all my work shirts for my ice cream job. It's pretty serious. So, for my room tour, you guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, be sure to give it a like and also subscribe down below to my channel and leave in the comments down below any video suggestion ideas that you have for me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!